Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you click the notification bells to be notified each time I upload. So today we are going to be doing a date night look. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I wanted to keep it simple, keep it a little bit more realistic. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, we are using the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer to start out with. I chose this primer because I wanted to have like this nice glowy skin when you're on a date. You know, you want to look good, you want to look glowing from within, you want to look your best. So I'm going in now with the Maybelline Blur Primer just to blow out some imperfections on my cheek area. You can skip this step if you do not have any like large pores, but if you do, this really helps fill in those pores. So then I'm going in with my Fit Me powder and I'm going to be setting that primer on my cheek area, and I'm going to be applying this powder on the nose, you know, just kind of trying to mattify the areas. Like, I didn't want a super matte look like how I normally do, but I know where I tend to get oily, so I just kind of want to go ahead and create a little barrier for that. And then, as always, we are going to be color correcting, you guys. When you're going on a date, like, I just think you just should just look your best, you know. Unless it's just one of those days like y'all just chilling, but especially if it's like a first date, girl, we are trying to look just so good. So I am color correcting around my mouth area where we are naturally darker, and I've been getting a lot of breakouts this whole mask thing. I got a lot of acne on the lower jawline. It's aggravating, and I've been doing my best to like deal with it, but it's just something that's going to be here as long as I wear a freaking mask 7 days a week. So thank God for makeup, you know. I'm also going underneath my eyes, just to look like we had a full 24 hours of sleep, girl. You know, we're just trying to fool these guys out here. Just let them know we woke up like this, you know. And I'm just going to take whatever's left on that sponge, and we're going to be setting that concealer. And now I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy foundation. I opted for a Dewy foundation because, again, I wanted to have something a bit more like settled down, something that was kind of natural, had some glow to it, had a little shine to it. You know, I didn't want to do a full-on glam IG beat as a date night because that's not realistic to me. Also, I don't have that type of time. Like, Pat don't like to be late, honey, and I tend to be late all the time. So I wanted to do something that was very realistic, something that wasn't super time consuming. And now, y'all, I'm just applying this eyebrow, what do you call it, gel. I think this is also Maybelline, and I'm using the LA Pro Brow Gel just to sculpt my brows a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this LA Pro Concealer and Espresso underneath the eyes, and I'm going to be using Toffee underneath my brows. Well, I did a mixture of Toffee and Espresso underneath my brows, and then I went back in with Toffee to just give it a nice little lift underneath the brows, and then we're going to just be blending the concealer out. Once that is done, we are going to prepare to do our eyeshadow. I'm just taking Toffee back onto my lids to create a nice base. Now I'm just setting my eyes with my Lord, I be want to say BH, with my black Radiance setting powder and banana. Y'all, it's this powder's a trip. Like, the way I got my sponge in now, it's just a mess. But we're going to be starting on the eyes. I'm going in my Morphe 35R palette, and y'all, this eyeshadow look is super simple. I wanted to keep it simple, short, and sweet, because again, this is a date night. We don't have that type of time to be doing a full-on cut crease, child. So I'm taking this orangey brown shade and I'm applying that into my crease up above the crease area. We're just blowing it out, y'all. Like, it's kind of like messy. Just applying that underneath the brows and just blowing that shadow out. I like for date night looks to kind of be, I don't know, like low-key. I want to look like myself. Because typically that's what most guys want, but you know, child, you get what you get with me. But I like to look like myself and like to keep it nice and just simple. So I'm going in with this chocolate brown, and I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm putting this on the outer edges of the eye just to deepen the crease just a little bit, y'all. And like I said, this is super like simple. I don't know if I can get any simpler, just like without just doing no shadow at all. But I want to do a little shadow. This is like the look. Like, this is it. All I'm doing is adding some shimmer in the inner corner of the eye here. And that's it. Like, I did not want this to be super dramatic. I did not want this to be over the top, because again, I like realistic things. I think date nights with someone, especially you've been with for a while, you know, you don't have to do all the extra glam. You know, that's for like special occasions, you know, anniversaries and stuff like that. But I wanted to keep it simple for my beginners as well, because everybody can't do all this extraness. So yeah. Once the eyes are partially done, because we are going to go back, I'm taking Toffee again and I'm going to be highlighting, you guys. And I kept it simple. Like this, you're going to hear simple the whole time. Like, I really did. Just highlighting with that, and then we're going to let that sit. We're going to let that marinate on the face. We're going to let that dry down just a little bit so we can get some coverage. And I'm taking a black eyeliner pencil and we're going to be smudging that onto our lash line. And y'all, like, this really made the look. This really made my look. Now I'm just going to be blending everything out and doing my full on like highlight bronze routine. All right, so once all that is done, you guys, I'm going in with two mascaras. I'm using this Maybelline Mascara, and I'm using a elf. Is that elf? I'm trying to remember. I think it is. Yeah, this elf Waterproof Mascara, because I am not applying lashes. This is a lashless look. I absolutely like it. I just forgot how bomb looks can be without lashes. And again, this is date night. We're like crunching for time, because I promise y'all, you will be late messing with lashes sometimes. You know, your lashes don't want to stick sometimes, girl, and you just like, oh Jesus, like this is about to be bad. Like you be on the verge of tears. But yeah, I wanted to make this a lashless look, and I wanted to do some glossy lips. I'm just using my Juvia's Place liner and Scorpio, and then I'm using this ColourPop like lip gloss. It's like a plumping lip gloss. I think the shade is Beachwood, Sandalwood. I will have everything in the description box, but I literally cannot remember. So now we are going into hair. If you have not seen the video on my perm rods, it is up on my channel now, you guys. This is like 5 days later what we're looking like. So I decided to take some old curls and do kind of like an updo style for this look. And yeah, y'all, like this was pretty much it. Like I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I literally don't understand why you have not subscribed and you've been here this long, but hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well, and click all to see my future uploads, and I will see y'all in my next video.